Morning, everyone. Good morning, Sujata. Starting the class, please. Now listen, beta. Last class, what we have studied in geometry progression, that continuation part I am going to teach today. So let's see what and all work we have to do. Just go ahead and ask me how to do. Am I audible? Sujata, am I audible? Now look here. What and all work we have to do, let's check this one out. Okay. So now last class we have done a GP. In that continuation part, we are going to start. First question is, find four numbers forming a GP. Find four numbers. Siddharth, Vanakkam Siddharth. Good morning, beta. So now GP, some important questions we are going to do today. NCRT questions first I'm starting with. Okay. So now write NCRT question. In that NCRT question, what it is given. Oh. Just 1 minute, beta. Write the question. Find four numbers forming a geometric progression. Find four numbers. Good evening, Himanshu. Sorry, good morning. Find four numbers forming a geometric formation. Find four numbers forming a geometric progression in which the third term is in which the third term in which the third term, Payaja, good morning, in which the third term note down fast, in which the third term is greater than third term is greater than the first term, greater than the first term by 9, and second term is greater than fourth by 18. Second term is greater than fourth by 18. So this is exactly the question. Come on, get ready everyone. Start solving this question. So when you will be solving this question, what and all things you will be needing, the first important part here is find four numbers forming a GP. So here four numbers, at least four sequence numbers you have to find, which is exactly forming a GP. So when you will be finding that four numbers, exactly what they are telling, after that what they are telling, the first and the third. The first is greater, the third is greater than the first. Come on, check this one out and solve. Nishika, try the question, please. Come on, say how to solve the question. So whenever someone will ask you how to attempt this question, let's check this one out. First, what we will do, we will write first term. What will be the first term? The first term will be A. Second term will be AR. third term will be AR square and fourth term will be AR cube. Okay, now what they are telling that, so here answer is minus 6. 3 minus 6, okay, 4 we are needing now. 4 we are needing. Check this one out. So now look here. So third term is greater than the first term by 9. First part, third term is greater than the first term by 9. Divya, good morning, beta. So this is the first part. Third term is greater than the first term by 9. This is first part. And then they are telling that, and second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. So these two equations we got. Now these two equations are ready. Now we need to solve the question. Since the equations are ready, we need to solve the questions. First, what we are going to write? Third term. Third term is AR square. So AR square is equal to A plus 9. Done. Now we will shift this one this side. It will become AR square minus A is equal to 9. Take A common, R square, this is equal to 9. Done. Now the second part. Second part is AR is equal to AR cube plus 18. Shift this one this side. AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. Take AR common. What it will become? AR common means 1 minus R square is equal to 18. So this is what you have solved. We can write after substitution, we can write it as, okay, take this as equation 3 and take this as equation 4. So once you have done like that, what is the values? Please check. So now equation 3 and equation 4 done. Dividing equation 3 by equation 4. So dividing by equation 4. Dividing equation 3 by equation 4. So once you have divided equation 3 by equation 4, what work you need to do? It will become A R square minus 1 by R square minus 1 is equal to 9 by 18. A cancel, this one cancel. So this is coming as 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2. So R is coming as 2. So definitely you will get the value of R as 2. So now R is coming as 2. Next part what we are going to do? Because we got R value. Once we got R value, now we have to get the value of A. We will substitute here. Substituting R is equal to 2 in equation 3. Then here A 2 square minus 1 is equal to 9. Therefore A 3A is equal to 9. So A is equal to 3. Okay? Yes. Is it AR 1 minus R square? But the second term is AR. So I wrote AR. After that, fourth term is AR. Okay, fine. Fourth term is AR. First one is third and first term. Third and first term is we got this much. Third and first term. Second term is greater than fourth term. Fourth term is AR cube only, na? Second term is AR and fourth term is AR cube. Equation 4, Siddharth. Okay. So here if I am taking R common, it is coming as 1 minus R square. A taken out. AR second term is greater than fourth term by 18. So AR cube plus 18. We shifted it this side. So AR minus AR cube is equal to 18. A taken common, R taken common. So here it will become 1 minus R square is equal to 18. 1 minus R square is equal to 18. Okay. After that we divided. So 9 is coming, R square, 1 minus R square. Okay, minus will come out, Siddharth. Correct one. So when minus will come out, it will become minus AR. R square minus 1 is equal to 18. Super. So R is equal to, here minus you write, R is equal to minus 2. So when you will substitute R is equal to minus 2 whole square, but this part will become A is coming as 3. Yes, got it, Siddharth. So here A is coming as 3, and here this part, okay, we got it. So here this part is coming, A is equal to 3 and R is equal to minus 2. So first term, second term, third term, fourth term. A is 3, AR is 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6, and then AR square is equal to 3 into minus 2 whole square, 12, and then AR cube is equal to 3 into minus 2 whole cube minus 24. Correct only. Absolutely. Gagan, good morning, Gagan. So this is exactly the way to solve the question. That is 3 minus 6, 12 and minus 24. This is the correct answer. Absolutely correct, Siddharth. That minus I didn't take it out. Yes. Thank you so much, Peter. Yeah, I know, Himanshu. You have already given the answer. Correct only. So now let's see. We will go for the next question. This is NCRT question. Now we will be focusing into one question of NCRT, which is very very important because see some word problems are also present in NCRT that you need to solve. So that questions also we are going to do. Let's solve these questions. Okay. Now let's see. The third term. Just 1 minute, with a network some problem came. Yeah, now it is okay. The third term of a GP is 4. Right now, the third term, the product of first 5 term. Find the product of first 5 terms. Come on, go for it, please. Huh? Now it is coming. Yes. Find the product of first 5 terms. Find the product of first 5 terms. Find the product of first 5 terms. So when we will be finding the product of first 5 terms, the third term of a GP is 4. Third term. So definitely 1, 2, 3, 4. First term is A, second term is AR, third term is AR square, fourth term is AR cube, and fifth term is AR4. So these are the terms. Okay. Now what they are telling that the third term is 4. Third term A3, that means AR square is equal to 4. AR square is equal to 4 given to you. So once 1024 total answer miss. What was that? Fine. Total answer is coming as fine. We'll check. Now look here. So product of all the 5 terms, A1 into A2 into A3 into A4 into A5 is equal to what it will become. That is A into AR into AR square into AR cube into AR4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A to the power 5. Now R is coming as 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. R 10. So definitely AR square to the power 5. And that is 4 to the power 5. It is coming as 2 to the power 10, 1024. Absolutely correct, sir. Yes, your answer is correct. Nice, Ivanshu. I was thinking you are only making fun. Solving questions also. Good morning, Vishwa. How are you? Huh? Nothing. Go for class. I hope you might have understood. We'll go for the next question, please. Yes, that's good only. You are having good revision of mathematics. Now, another NCRT question we are going to do. So that get ready, please. Okay. Now, question is if I hope Siddharth, do you remember if this, this, and this, if pth, qth, and rth term, yes, of a GP turn of a GP are A, B, C respectively, are A, B, C respectively, are A, B, C respectively, then what they are telling, I will not say, you are going to say Q minus R, A to the power Q minus R, up row, B to the power R minus P, after that C to the power P minus Q equal to what? See, you try to solve the question. Yes. So now look here. Answer can be what? Say, it can be 1, it can be 0, it can be minus 1, or it can be 2. Try this question out. Try the question out. Will you be able to solve? Or can I try? Hey, where is Rudra here? Rudra absent. Many students are absent today, huh? Monkey, Watson, Kishore. Try to solve this question, please. ओए सॉल्व कर क्या करिए एटलीस्ट ट्राई वन टाइम यार ओके कैन आई सॉल्व वेट ओके आई विल वेट 1 minute मैं कहाँ तक पढ़ाती हूँ मैं 12 तक पढ़ाती हूँ ऐसे पहले मैं एमएससी तक पढ़ाती थी डिटोरिएशन हो गया अब 12 इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं डिटोरिएशन कहते इसको क्या क्या पढ़ाते हो ये भी पूछ ले, कहाँ तक पढ़ाते हो, क्या क्या पढ़ाते हो ये पूछ लो, मैम आप क्या क्या पढ़ाते हो. Come on, shall we start solving the question? वन होगा आंसर. सॉल्व किया कि ऐसे ही? ना लुक हियर. Tried or like that only? हाँ, fine. बन जाए. We'll solve. Come on. Now look here. What we have to do here is, pth term is given as A. So first work is, we need to do some very nice work. The first part is, check this one out. Pth term is AR to the power P minus 1. Here you have to take capital A. First term you take as, A, and common ratio you take as R. Okay, first term you take as A and common ratio you take as R. Then pth term means A R to the power P minus 1 is equal to A. Kuti hai na? Then A R to the power Q minus 1 is equal to B. Then A R to the power R minus 1 equal to C. That's it. This is the most important steps. Now they told A, B, C. So these values are there now. Equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. What is the answer coming? Siddha, did you solve it? Hey, where are the students? Payaja, Sujata. Now look here. Substituting in this equation, your equation is Q minus R. This part is there, na? Q minus R, and after that R minus P, and then C, P minus Q. Huh? So what we are going to do here is, okay. Now we will substitute. Instead of A, we can write A R to the power P minus 1, Q minus R, severe headache here. A R to the power Q minus 1, R minus P, A R to the power R minus 1, P minus Q. That's it. See, once you are going to get to this level, okay, once you are going to get to this level means you need not to worry about, means half of the work is over now, because hereafter only you need to prove it. That's it. So now proving part, are you going to do any rocket science? No, separate it out here, you will get the answer. Q minus R, and then A will multiply with this part, that is R minus P, and then A part will become P minus Q. That's it. This is A and this is R. Only R will become first one, R minus P minus 1, Q minus R, keep in bracket, okay, then plus Q minus 1, R minus P, plus R minus 1, P minus Q. This came now. See here, minus P plus P, minus R plus R, this. Here itself, you will get some clarity that R to the power. Now, multiplication means you will be able to solve. Yes, Siddharth is telling answer is A. Now, let's check this one, Siddharth. We need to have a full clarity that, okay, fine, we will be. So, PQ is there, okay, minus PR is there, okay, then minus Q is there, then plus R will be there. Now QR will be there. PQ minus PR, na? Haan. So here plus QR, little bit be careful, otherwise minus R plus P, and then plus PR minus RQ, and then minus P plus Q. So here PQ will get cancelled, QR, bingo, where is QR? QR get cancelled, PR PR get cancelled, minus Q minus P plus P minus R. That's it. Over. This was the only scene. Then now look here. A answer came na. A to the power 0, R to the power 0. Answer is 1. So your answer is 1. So when this type questions will be giving, either MCQ question will come or they will tell you to prove. So whenever they will be giving you any format, you must be ready to go with it. That's it. Now look in. So this is one question which is NCRT question, and we solved one NCRT question. Are you ready for the next question, please? Ready? One bacteria question I'm giving you. Come on. This bacteria question is a very good question. NCRT question only. We are going to solve this bacteria question. Ready? Come on. Question is the number of bacteria in a certain culture. Means you gave a sample, and in that sample bacteria were there. Okay. So we grow bacteria. So when we are growing bacteria, means what is exactly happening when you are growing bacteria? They're telling the number of bacteria in a certain culture. The number of bacteria in a certain culture. So some type of tests you are. हिमांशु पटक की पीटूंगी अगर कुछ बोलेगा तो अभी. In a certain culture, double every hours. कुछ बकवास मत करना. Culture doubles every hour. Okay, so that means the bacteria will be doubling every hour. Okay, if there were 30 bacteria, इस चीज के लिए ठीक है. मुझे लगा परेशान करेगा तो कूटूंगी फिर. याद रखियो. I thought you're going to say something unwanted. So only I told you don't speak unwanted. You are answering question. That's a very good thing. You are putting in your effort is a very good thing. Unwanted saying is not good. Okay. So now look here. If there were 30 bacteria, present in the culture, if there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, okay, if there were 30 bacteria present in the culture originally, how many bacteria will be present? How many bacteria will be present? How many bacteria will be present at the end of 2 hours? At the end of 2 hours, this is one thing. How many bacteria will be present at the end of 2 hours, 4th hour and nth hour? 2 hours, 4th hour and nth hour. Exactly nth hour. This is exactly NCRT question. Okay. You are going to solve the question out. Try. You'll be able to solve. $120. First hour is coming as $120. Nice. So that's correct only. First hour is how much? First hour means before it will be 0 only na, or 30. You're going to start with 30 na, means In the sample, before going for culture, the number of bacteria were 30. Okay, means the starting point is 30. After that, every hour it is exactly the number of bacteria will be doubling. Doubling means R will be means keep on getting ratio will be get doubled. R will become 2. So first hour it will be A. A is 30. Second hour means 0 means starting point. First hour is the starting point, means the hour means 0 hour you can say, means now you are starting culture. Now from here you are starting culture, and when you are starting culture from there means the first point from where you are starting culture. Hey, 30 into 2 to the power n कहाँ से आ गया रे? हट, 30 इंटू क्या क्या लिखा है? सो फर्स्ट आवर विल स्टार्ट विथ फर्स्ट आवर, सीधे एन में चला गया. So first part will be what beta? A. A is 30. This is starting point. This is starting. The starting means zero. Zero time. हाँ मल्टीपल है, मल्टीपल है तब कर सकता है. देखो सेकेंड आवर जब फर्स्ट थर्ड आवर में क्या होगा? फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग थर्ड आवर मीन्स सेकेंड वन थर्ड आवर. Here it will be AR, third hour will become AR and then AR square. So 30 into 2 to the power 2, 120. Here 30 into 2 to the power 1, that is 60. Then fourth hour, they asked AR cube, 30 into 2 to the power 3, 240. Correct. 30 into the 240 will be coming. Yes, sir. 13 into the power 3. Second hour, fourth hour, nth hour. AR to the power n minus 1. 30 into 2 to the power. Nth hour is n minus 1 now, but here it will become n only. Yes, it will become n only because r to the power n. Nth hour it will be n because we started with 0. N plus 1th hour it will become. Yes. So here n minus 1 will be there because nth hour means we started with 0. 0 as first hour. See, I am saying unwanted. That means when we started, that first point is exactly coming as this first term is where the bacteria numbers were 30. So when nth hour we will be taking, then it will become nth hour. Nth hour will be not that one because 0 to 1 is first hour. So nth hour will be AR to the power n. That is 30 into 2 to the power n. That much numbers of bacteria. Yes, 30 into 2 to the power n, that much number of bacteria will be there. Absolutely. Yes, yes, sir. Agreed, agreed. You are correct. Very happy. Okay. So that did you got this answer, please? Tell me. You are always right. Happy? So that means what? 0 means first hour will be AR, means second term. Second term will be first hour. Second term will be first hour. Then nth term will be n plus 1. N plus 1 will become the nth hour. N plus 1 will become the nth hour. N plus 1 will become the nth hour. I hope you might have understood this one. Okay. तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो सकता. मैं गलत नहीं बोली. Siddharth, is it done? Now we will go with the next question. Ready, please? Fast किस चीज करे? Come on. A manufacturer reckons that the value of a machine write down. A manufacturer तू क्यों नहीं करता, मुझे क्यों बोल रहा? That the value of a machine that the value of a machine which cost rupees which cost rupees 15625, so value is exactly 15625, will depreciate each year. Will depreciate means कि once you are buying a machine means कि the machine will keep on getting depreciated. Okay, depreciated means the value will reduce. So if today you are buying a machine with 20 lakhs, means after 10 years it will not be 20 lakhs both, it will reduce. अनवांटेड बोलने के बाद ना मार खाने के लिए तैयार रहना. Beating is a very big word. Depreciate. तेरे को बड़ा पड़ा है करवा चौथ का, क्यों नहीं किया? तुम करो करवा चौथ. Come on, start solving the question. Find the estimated find the estimated value at the end of 5th year. Come on, start solving. तो तुम मुझे क्यों फंसा रहे हो इसमें? अपना काम करो, पढ़ना है पढ़ो. बहुत ब्लॉक कर दूंगी अनवांटेड लिखा तो. Come on, everyone, start solving the question. 8000 कैसे हुआ? What? Siddharth, solve the question. Payoja, Siddharth, Sujata, solve the question, please. जेई का प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो और तुम ये पूछ रहे हो कौन सी क्लास का है? You're preparing for JEE now and you don't know which class, huh? Doubt. What is the initial value of machine? Initial value of machine we will take. Anyone who got the answer? Initial value of machine. Initial value of machine we will take x naught as the initial value of the machine and it is coming as rupees 15625. 15625. Okay, and R is rate of differentiation. We'll take R as rate of depreciation. R will be coming as 20%. Okay, now end of first year you need to understand कि when depreciation will be done in, because rate percent will be there now. So first year depreciation will be what? First year, end of first year depreciation, end of first year depreciation will be what? X naught minus 20% of this, because X naught is that initial part minus rate is then a rate 20% means will become 20 by 100. Okay, so here X naught 20%. 20% of x naught. X naught is the initial one. X naught is what? Initial one. It's 20% depreciation. Okay, 20% depreciation means we need to subtract that one. So it will become what? X naught you take common, 1 minus 20 by 100. Okay, so how much it will become? X naught, 1 minus 20 by 100 will come. This is the first year. You need to understand this one. This will become the first year. Now, first at the end of first year, this is exactly at the end of first year, this depreciation will come. Now at the end of second year, depreciation will be what? At the end of second year it will be, because this is coming for the first year depreciation. Now whatever is coming for the first year depreciation, we will take it as x1, that is x1 end of first year depreciation. This is coming as 1 minus, so we will write it as x0 1 minus 20% of r, we can write r by 100, 20% of r rate is 20. So 20% r by 100 also we can say 20 by 100. Now we will go with end of second year. So end of second year. When second year will be there, then depreciation at the end of second year we will take it as x2. This time it is initial one is x1. Again you need to subtract it. So it will become x1 r by 100, because now second year it is not the first case. Now second year is not the first case. 1 year already over, and whatever justification you will do, whatever justification you will do, that justification you will be doing at the end of, because of that first part. Now first section is whatever is there, that part is going to be, so it will start with x1. Okay, so now this time how much it will be? X1. So already you will write x1 is equal to 1 minus r by 100. So x1 is what? Your x1 is x naught, because this equation is 1 minus 20 by 100, and here is again 1 minus 20 by 100. So this time it is coming as x naught 1 minus 20 by 100 whole square. So at the end of second year, at the कहाँ पे तुम्हारा आंसर देखा ही नहीं. At the end of second year, this is exactly coming. Then at the end of third year, directly we will write x naught 1 minus 20 by 100 to the power 3. Okay. Now at the end of how much year? 5 years they are asking. So at the end of 5 years, it will become x naught 1 minus 20 by 100. 5 will come. Ayo, severe headache is there. I'll check. Just give me 1 minute. I'll check. Huh? So here what will become? X naught is given 15625. 15625. And here it will become how much? 100 minus 20 will become 80 by 100. Again 80 by 100. 80 by 100. 80 by 100. 80 by 100. This. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10 to the power minus 5. 15625. Shall we cancel this? Better. 2 3s are 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. This 5 will cancel this one. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. 0. 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15. Only one time it is coming. Only one kutty 0 is going. Rest of the decimals are coming. So after solving, what is the answer coming? 4 by 5 is there. No? 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5, 4 by 5. 156. Oh, yo, I wrote number wrong. 15625. 15625 into this part will become, wait, this part will become 80 by that, so 8 by 10. Directly we'll write now 8 by 10. That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. How many times? 4 by 5. 4 by 5. 4 by 5. This 5 only will cancel this. 5 3s are 15. And 5 2s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 20. 8. This is coming easy. It is coming 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are then 5 1s are 5, 5 is 25 into 4 4 16, 16 square. 256 into 25. 256 into 25. Answer is coming how much? Yeah, answer came, I guess. 5125. Chalo. 256, 25. Yes. Done. Only one 5 will be left now because 3 1 2 5. 1 2 3 4 625. And here one extra is there 625. 125 will be there. How many times I cancel? 1 2 3 4 times. Oh, 25. So answer is coming as 5120. Correct one. Yes, 5120 is answer. Shall we go for the next question? Ready everyone? Siddharth solved. Everybody solved. Are you all present in the group please? Kindly say first. Are you all present in the group? Your answer is absolutely correct. Yes, Siddharth done. Only calculation part. Yes. Only calculation part I checked. Yes, super. Gagan Maharaj, ki hoya aapko? Now look here. We'll solve the next question, please. Get ready. Are we ready for the next question? Oh, yo. Good morning, sir. Now look here. Shall I go for the next question? Excuse me, madam. Question solved. This is a very good question, and this is again NCRT question indeed. So most of the NCRT question, you take rest. No, I am fine. Little bit headache is there. If the first and the nth term of GP are, if the first and nth term of a GPR, if the first and the nth term of a GPR A and B respectively, A and B respectively, today is your exam. Every day is your exam, huh? And if P is the product of the first n terms, if P is the product of the first n terms, then you need to prove that P square is equal to AB to the power n. This is what you need to prove. Subject भी बता दो. What is the subject today? Study 0%, confidence 100%. पक्का mark 0 भी. Correct, Siddharth. Nishika, study 0%, confidence 100%. Siddharth is writing marks 0%, beating 100%. Nothing. You read the comment, you will come to know. Studies. Yes, all the best for beating, at least all the best. At least get some beatings. See, Siddharth is having such a big heart. He's telling, go, all the best. Nice. Nice. Correct. मेरा भी भैया मेरा भी भैया Siddharth has taken class today. Nice. Thank you. God bless you. Very, very lucky person. R is common ratio. R is common ratio. R is common ratio. Okay. R is common ratio. You take R as common ratio. So what and all we have to do here? First and nth term of GP are A and B. Means first term is taken as A. We don't know after that. After that sequence will go like this. A. So A1 is A and last term is B. A1 is A and last term is, okay, A1 is A, last term is B. Pakka. Confidence level is seriously high for you. Siddharth told correct only. So B is equal to, but the last term is there now. So B is equal to nth term. So AN is equal to B. That means AR to the power n minus 1 is equal to B. Correct? AR to the power n minus 1 is equal to B. So R to the power n minus 1, it will become B by A. Okay, that is nth term now. That is nth term. So here first term, second term till nth term when you are writing. So once you are writing till nth term, yes, you see here an is equal to b. Once you are writing an is equal to b, yes, array or n is there the answer now. N is there the answer. So this is coming. So here a r to the power n value is coming as b minus a. R to the power n value is coming as b minus a. Then when you will be shifting this r, it will become b minus a to the power 1 by n minus 1. Because you just shifted. See, square, if you will shift that side, it will get converted into root. Once you will shift square that side, it will get converted into root. Okay. So here also we shifted 1 by n minus 1. So n minus 1 we shifted this side, it will become 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n minus 1. So once you have shifted here, write down, that is nth term. Nth term value is given as b. Now what you need to do, they are telling product of all that nth term, a1 into a2 into a3 into a4 into an is equal to given as p. Okay. Now product of nth term, okay, so here a1 will become a, then this part will become ar, then it will become ar square, then it will become ar cube, till it will become ar to the power n minus 1 is equal to ev. Then a is coming how many times? A is coming n times. So it will become a to the power n. Now r started with 1, 2, 3 till n minus 1 is equal to p. Till n minus 1 is equal to p. So this is exactly, now you need to solve this one with the help of sum of APs. because 1, 2, 3, 4, it is coming in sum of APs. Sum of AP means sum of nth term of AP. So just specifically, you solve this one. Same motivation, Pakka, very good. God bless you. Go. Go and kill biology. Understood. So here it is coming as an into first, so this is sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3. It is coming till n minus 1 term. So first term is 1 till n minus 1 term is coming. And we know the formula. What is our formula? All the best. Yes, all the best. System hack मत होने देना. System hack मत होने देना. Correct only. Mahadev bless you. Nice. So sum of these many terms will be how we are going to write. This is exactly first term. When you will solve this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n minus 1. Then first term a is coming as 1. Common difference is coming as 2 minus 1, 1. So sum of n terms. So nth term is coming as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So it will come a plus n minus 2 into d. That is nth term. So directly why we are writing this much? Sum of n term is n by 2, first term plus last term. First term plus last term. So here first term plus last term is first term plus last term. But here it is n minus 1. So it is coming n minus 1 by 2. First term 1 plus last term is what? N minus 1. Sum of first term and last term. So here it will become n and n minus 1 will get cancelled. So it will come n minus 1 by 2. So this is exactly, we got this till here. Now only substitution part is left. We need to substitute this one out. Come on. So an into r to the power, we will start with n. Check this one out. R to the power n, because they have told AB to the power this much square is there. An is there, and this section is coming as 1 plus n minus 1, n minus 1 by 2. Got it? n minus 1 by 2. बहुत अच्छे, आशीर्वाद, जाइए, मस्ती करके आइए. So an is equal to this much part is coming. Now we will be going for this. Now r, we know that this part will be coming as p. So now a to the power n into r to the power. So this r value is what? This one. We know r value is this one. So we'll substitute r value. R value is coming as b by a 1 by n minus 1, and this is already there, n into n minus 1 by 2. So this and this will get cancelled, is equal to p. So here a to the power n, now it is coming b to the power n by 2, and down also it is there b by a to the power n by 2 is equal to p. Now a to the power n, b to by n to this part is there and this part is there is equal to p. So now this will go up, n minus n by 2, b to the power n by 2 is equal to p. So here 2n, so definitely it will come a to the power n minus n by 2, b to the power n by 2 is equal to p. So ab to the power n by 2 is equal to p. Multiply both side with 2, this both side with 2, then this cancels. So AB to the power n is equal to p square. Proof. AB to the power n is equal to p square. Not a big deal. Understood. So just solved it. Yeah, in between little bit we discussed, we joked. Thank you so much. Having severe headache. Yeah. So this part is there. So this section was extra. We did by arithmetic progression. Okay, and then we substituted r value, we substituted from here, and then we just solved. Note down, this is ncrt question, so seriously this is a good question, important question, everyone. Okay, that's it for today. Bye, everyone. Siddharth, everyone done? Say once. Bye. Have a nice day.